Yes, good morning student. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are just going to start our next exercise, that is 7.8 exercise, which is related on the number of selection. So we will use the formula of combination here, that is the NCR. Now I start with the first question. In how many ways the 5 sportsmen be selected from the 10 group of 10? It means you have a group of 10 person and you have to select 5 sportsmen there. So your number of ways will be first question, total number in a group, that is 10. Number to be selected, that is 5. So the number of ways of selection of 5 sportsmen out of the 10, so that will be 10C5. Clear? 10C5 means 10 factorial by 5 factorial and into 10 minus 5 factorial, and solve this and get your answer. Come to the question number 2. How many different kind of return tickets must be prepared for a railway line with the 16 station? When you have the 16 station, then you have a different return ticket, one for the coming and one for returning back. So you need the 2 tickets here. So number of ways of selection will be out of the 16 you have need the 2 different one. So the number of ways of selection of 2 tickets out of 16 station, that is 16C2. Clear? And then you have to simplify this one. Question number 3. In how many ways can a party of 4 persons be selected out of 9? If one person is already included, it means out of 9 you have to select the 4 person, and one is already included in it. It means one is already included. So you have to select now 3, because the party with the 4 person and one is already included in it. So you have to select the 3 person here, and out of this 9 one will be deducted because you have to select 3 person out of the 8 person. That included person will be cancelled in this one or in this one also. In the total also it will be minimized, and in the number of person that to be selected with, that is also minimized by the 1. So you have to select now. If one person is already included, so the number of ways of selection of 3 members, so we can say the 3 person or 3 members out of 8. Clear? So their number of ways will be 8C3. If one person is already excluded, निकाल दिया गया है, उसको तो पार्टी में लेना ही नहीं. So now one will be minimized. It means that person is already excluded out of the party, but party should be maintained with the 4 person. So you have to select the 4 person out of the 8 person, because that person is not eligible, not valid for our party. So that will be excluded in the total, but not exclude from the selected number of person, because the party will be with the 4 members. So the number of selection will be 8C4. Come to the next question. Now the next question is also based on the same thing. In question number 4, in how many ways can a hockey 11 be chosen out of the 15 player? It means out of the 15 you have to select the 11 members, 11 hockey player, and 3 is already included. It means that included will be always cancelled from the total and the number of personnel to be selected. So your total is, in the question number 4, your total is 50 and selected is 11. Clear? When the 3 is included there, so that will be cancelled from the total as well as from this. So now you have to select the 8 person out of the 12. So this is the way how you will select the 8 person out of the 12 for the selection of 11 member from out of the 15 member when already 3 members are already included. And what in the case of, this is the first part. In the case of second part, when the 3 is excluded, it means वो निकाल दी गया by any reason, that is excluded from our team. So the now they are having the total is 12, but the team will be selected for the 11 member. Now the total number of member that is to be selected, that remains the same, that is 11. So their number of ways of selection will be now 12C11. So this is the answer for the second part and this is the answer for the first part. Question number 5. The 12 person meet in a room and each shake hand with the other all others. Find the number of shake hand. As you know that in the shake hand you need the 2 personality. At least you need the 2 personality here. So the total number of person are 12 and for one shake hand there is need of 2 person. So the number of shake hand will depend upon the number of ways of shake hand will be depend upon the 12 person for with the 2. At least there is a one shake hand is possible with the 2 persons. So out of the 12 you have to select the 2 person for one shake hand. And for the number of ways of shake hand, so 12C2 will be the answer of this question. Question number 6. In how many ways the 4 identical white balls? 4 identical white balls. Identical means that is also related that there is no difference between the 4 balls and the 6 black balls in a row. As you know that in a row when you are just going to arrange these, firstly you have to write the factorial of total one. These are the 4 white and 6 black. So total is 10 factorial and because of their identical figures, so you have to write their factorial in the denominator. So 4 factorial by 6 factorial because there is no difference. And next is second part is there. Where this is only possible when there is a no condition is given here. But in the condition is there that the no white balls are together. Okay. So what you will do when no white balls are together? So you must scatter the black balls here. So black 1, black 2, black 3, black 4, black 5, black 6. So their arrangement will be 6 factorial 6p6. But these are identical because of their identical figure. It is divided by 6 factorial. And now how many rows you are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cross places are there. And you have to select these cross places for the white balls. 4 white balls should be placed out. 4 white balls should be placed here so that no 2 white balls will be stay together. So their selection will be these. Out of these 7 cross places you have to select the 4 one. So their arrangement will be the 7 factorial by 7C4 because you have to select the 4 seed out of these 7 cross places. This is for the arrangement of black ball or blue that is the black ball. This is the number of ways of arrangement of black ball, and this is the number of arrangement of white ball in 7 cross places. Clear? Come to the next one. Come to the next question. Question number 7. You will try by yourself, because in this question that is the same, that you have to select 11 players out of the 17 player when the 5 are already bowler. Okay, I will just do it for you. Yes, firstly we try to understand the statement of the question. Question number 7. In how many ways can we select a cricket 11 from the 17 player? It means you have to select the 11 players out of the 17, but 5 can bowler. उस 17 में जो है that are the 12 or 5 are the bowlers. It means out of 17, 5 are the bowlers. Then how many there are batsmen? So 12 will be the batsmen. Batsmen are there, but when you are just going to select the team, there should be include only exactly 2 bowlers. So you have to select only 2 bowlers, but there is a team for the 11 players are there, in which if the 2 are the bowlers, the rest will be of the batsmen. So you have to select the 2 bowlers out of the 5. So 5C2, this is the number of ways of arrangement of the 2 bowlers out of the 5 bowlers, into the number of ways of arrangement of 9 batsmen out of the 12, that is 12C9, and you have to just multiply it so that you can get the team of 11. When you are just playing here putting here the addition symbol, it means you are giving the choice to the question, that either they will select the 2 player or you will select the 9 player. But we don't need the choice right here, we need the 11 players. So you have to take this one, multiply this one. This is the number of ways of selection of team of 11 players. Clear? Come to the question number 9 here. Try it question by yourself. Question number 9. A committee is consist of the 4 men. A committee is consist of 4 men and 3 women are there. This is the question number 9 here, and this is the question number 7. So how many different committees are possible if the 7 men and 5 women are eligible? Out of 7 men and 5 women are eligible. It means you have to make a committee of 4 men and 3 women. It means there is a committee of 7 person. Okay, so the number of ways of selection will be the 4 men out of the 7 men, that is 7C4, into is there, and then 5 women. Out of the 5 women you have to select the 3 women members there. So you can make the committee of the 7 into 3, 7 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7 members. So you can select a committee with the 7 person, in which the 4 men are there and the 3 women are there. Come to the question number 10. You have to select that a committee of 8 members to be selected. There is a committee of 8 members. You have to select the committee of 8 members. 8 members out of 6 male and 8 females. What is the necessary condition given here? Essential condition is given here, that in how many ways it be formed so that the males may not be outnumbered. What do you mean by this line? That what is the meaning of this line, that the male may not be outnumbered? It means the males can't be less than the female. They always greater than equal to female. ओके सो आपके मेंबर्स जो हैं वो मेल हमेशा फीमेल से ज़्यादा होने चाहिए। और आपने 8 की कमेटी सिलेक्ट करनी है। आई जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट केस। आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग मैनी केसेस आर हियर फॉर मेकिंग ए कमेटी ऑफ 8 मेंबर्स, जहाँ पर ये कंडीशन की ध्यान रखनी है कि आपके जो मेल्स हैं वो फीमेल से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए। तो 8 की कमेटी बनानी है, 8 मेल को 8 मेल से कलेक्ट। यहाँ टोटली 6 है, तो पहला केस में ये होगा कि 6 के 6 मेल ले लूँ, तो 2 क्या लेनी पड़ेगी फीमेल, या केस 2 कि आप 5 मेल ले लो और 3 फीमेल ले लो, या यू आर हैविंग हियर द 4 मेल एंड 4 फीमेल। इसके आगे के केसेस राइजेस नहीं होंगे। ये 3 केसेस इम्पॉसिबल है ताकि हमारे पास 8 की कमेटी बन जाए। और इन सभी केसेस में आप ये देखते हो कि मेल इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल हियर। 6 मेल देन 2 फीमेल इज हियर, 5 मेल देन 3 फीमेल इज हियर, 4 मेल एंड 4 फीमेल इज हियर। When I am just going to reduce this number, then it's will increase. So I am not taking the rest of the cases here. अगर मैं यहाँ पर 3 मेल ले लेती हूँ तो आपको यहाँ 5 फीमेल लेनी पड़ेगी उसी 8 मेंबर की कमेटी को बनाने के लिए, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन। कि वो कह रहा है कि मेल जो है वो आउटनंबर नहीं होने चाहिए फीमेल से, तो ये केस हमारा नहीं लेंगे। तो या तो ऐसा होगा, या ये केस होगा, या ये केस होगा। तो नंबर ऑफ वेज क्या होंगे? द नंबर ऑफ वेज टू मेक ए कमेटी of 8 members, either first case or second case or third case. You are just applying here either first case or second case or third case. Firstly, just find out, make the committee of 6 member and 6 male and 2 female. So select 6 male out of the 6 male, so 6C6. Then you have to select the 2 female out of the 8 female, so 8C2. So you need the both total 8. So you are just putting here the multiplication symbol. Now for the case 2, 6C5 and 8C3. For the third case, 6C4 and 8C4. Either this will be happened or this will be happened or this will be happened. So you have to solve this term and just add them. Either first case or second case or third case, via any method, by any case you will get the committee of 8 members. So you have to add at the end first part, second part or third part, so that you can get the maximum possible cases to get a committee of 8 members, with that condition that they should not be outnumbered. Come to the next question. Question number 10. You will try yourself. There is a first you have to make a committee of 7 persons out of the 9 boys and 5 girls. You have to make a committee of 7 persons here, where the only exactly 2 girls are there. First case, when there is only 2 girls. In case if 2 are the girls, that means the 5 should be a boy, because you have to make a committee of the 7 persons. So if the 2 are the girls, then definitely 5 rest of the will be boys. So you have to select the 2 girls out of the 5, and you have to select the 5 boys out of the 9, so that you will get a committee of 7 persons with that exactly 2 girls. And in the second case, at least 2 girls are there, so there should be some cases will be there. If there is a 2 girl, then definitely 5 will be boys. Or second case, either there is a 3 girls, then definitely 4 will be the boys, to make a committee of the 7 persons. And if there is a 2 girls, then 3 should be boy. And fourth case is there, if there is a 5 girls, then 2 should be boy, to make a committee of 7 months. These are the at least 2 गर्ल्स शुड बी देयर, कम से कम 2 लड़कियां होनी चाहिए। तो हमने हर केस में देखो 2 से ज़्यादा ही लड़कियां ली हैं, ठीक है, 2 से कम नहीं होगी, यानी कि 1 वाला केस नहीं लेंगे कि मैं 1 गर्ल और 6 बॉय ले लूँ, तो फिर वो वाली कंडीशन हमारी जो है दैट इज एटलीस्ट 2 गर्ल शुड बी देयर इन ए कमेटी ऑफ 7, दैट विल बी नॉट फुलफिल्ड। क्लियर है? सो आइदर दिस केस और दिस केस और दिस केस और दिस केस, सो यू हैव टू ऐड दीज ऑल द केसेस एट द एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस वन। सो यू जस्ट select these numbers out of the total. 5 was going to be selected, 5C2 into 9C5 or 5C3 9C4 or 5C4 9C3 or 5C5 and 9C2. So this is the all the possible ways to select a This is the all the possible ways to select a committee of 7 person. For this you need all these cases. So you have to add at the end you have to add all these cases so that you can get the answer of this question. Thank you, and you have to try 1 to 12 question by yourself. Thank you.